Welcome to my 6th class mathematics class, semester 2, ratio and proportion. Two friends, Padma and Suma, went to market to purchase hair clips. They purchased 20 clips for 30 rupees. Padma gave rupees 12 and Suma gave rupees 18. After coming back home, Padma asked Suma to give 10 clips to her. But Suma said, as I have given more money, I should get more clips. So you get 8 clips and I get 12 clips. Who is correct? Here two friends Padma and Suma purchased 20 clips for 30 rupees. 20 clips. So they can take 10, each 10 clips. But they gave 12 rupees. Padma gave 12 rupees. Suma gave 18 rupees. Their shares are not equal. Therefore, they have divided the clips according to their share of money. So, Padma gave 12 rupees and Suma gave 18 rupees. So, Suma should get more clips because she paid more money, 18 rupees. So, Padma paid only 12 rupees. Therefore, Padma asked Suma to give 10 clips to her, to give half of the clips. They purchased 20 clips, she asked 10 clips, but she paid only 12 rupees. The other girl, Suma, paid 18 rupees. Therefore, she won't get equal share. 10 clips, she won't get 10 clips. 10 is half of 20. So, she paid less than half. She get less than half of the total clips. So, Suma said, as I have given more money, I should get more clips. So, you get 8 clips and I get 12 clips. Who is correct? Suma said that you get 8 clips and I get 12 clips. Let us analyze who is correct and who is wrong. After coming home, Padma asked Suma to give 10 clips to her. Then the other girl, Suma, also get 10 clips. Therefore, ratio of the clips they wanted to share, ratio of the clips they wanted, she wanted to share, that Padma wanted to share is 10 is to 10. 10 clips and 10 clips, that is equal to 1 is to 1. 1 is to 1. But the ratio of their share, ratio of their share of money is equal to, Padma gave 12 rupees, Suma gave 18 rupees. So ratio of their share of money is 12 is to 18. That is equal to, both are divided by 3 fourths. 3, 6. Again we can divide both by 2. That is equal to 2 twos and 2 threes. Therefore, the ratio of the money they shared is 2 is to 3. But Padma asked to share 1 is to 1. So she is wrong. But Suma said, as I have given more money, I should get more clips. So I should get more clips. So you get 8 clips and I get 12 clips. She said that we share the total clips according to the ratio 12 and 12, 8 and 12. So Padma and Suma share the clips in the ratio 8 is to 12. Let us simplify the both divided, both are divisible by 4. Therefore 4 2s 8 and 4 3s 12. 2 is to 3. The ratio of their money paid is equal to 2 is to 3 and the ratio of the clips shared according to Suma is also 2 is to 3. Therefore, Suma is correct in sharing the clips. So we have to share the clips according to the ratio of their money paid. Next example, Raju purchased 3 pens for rupees 50. Anu purchased 10 pens for rupees 50. Whose pens are more expensive? So we will see the ratios of the number of pens and the ratios of the cost. So, ratio of the number of pens purchased by Raju and Anu. First we will say Raju and Anu. Ratio of the number of pens purchased by Raju and Anu is equal to 3:10. Raju purchased 3 pens. Anu purchased 10 pens. Therefore, ratio of the number of pens 3:10. Now, ratio of the cost paid for their pens is equal to, for 3 pens he paid 15 rupees and for 10 pens he paid 50. So simplifying this ratio, both are divisible by 5. Therefore, we can divide both by 5. We get 5 3s 15 is to 5 10s 50. Therefore, we got the same ratio. Therefore, are purchased for the same cost. Whose pens are more expensive? Both the pens are same cost. If two ratios are equal, we say that they are in proportion and use the symbol proportion is as 2 is as, or is equal to equate the two ratios. Therefore, in the previous example, we have seen that 3:10 is equal to 15:50. These two ratios are equal. 3:10 is equal to 15:30. So we said that 3, 10, 15 and 50 are in proportion, or we can write it as 3:10 is as, it is written as is as 3:10 is as 15:50. And we will say that 3, 10, 15 and 50 are in proportion. So when two ratios are equal, we say that the two ratios are in proportion. They are in proportion. Here 3:10 is equal to 15:50. Therefore, we can write it as 3:10 is as 15:50. Or these two ratios are in proportion. Or we can say that 3, 10, 15 and 50 are in proportion. The ratio of the weights of the apples Ravi and Rani purchased are 2 kilograms is to 4 kilograms. That is equal to 2:4. The ratio of the cost of the apples they purchased is rupees 120 is to rupees 240. So simplifying it, we can first dividing it by 10, we get 12:24 is to 24. As the two ratios are equal, they are said in proportion. 2:4 is as 12:24. 2:4 is as 12:24, or we say 2, 4, 12 and 24 are in proportion. Or all in proportion means in order we have to take 2:4 and 12:24 are equal. So we can see that 2:4 is equal to 1:2 and 12:24 is also equal to 1:2 because both are divisible by 12. If we divide them by 12, 12 ones 12, 12 twos 24, both are equal. So these two, as these two ratios are equal, we can write like this. And we can say that 2, 4, 12 and 24 are in proportion, or 2:4 is as 12:24. Coming to the next example, check whether the following are in proportion. 1:5 and 3:15, 2:9 and 18:81, 15:45 and 5:25, 4 is to 12 and 9 is to 27. Rupees 10 to rupees 15 and 4 to 6. First we will verify this one. 1 is to 5 and 3 is to 15. 1 is to 5 is in its simplest form, so we cannot simplify it. So we will keep it as it is. And 3 is to 15. 3 is to 15. Here 3 and 15 both are divisible by 3. Therefore we will divide both of them by 3. We get 3 ones 3, 3 fives 15. Therefore this ratio is 1 is to 5. So both the ratios are equal. Therefore we can say that they are in proportion. That is 1 is to 5 and 3 is to 15 are in proportion. Next 2 is to 9 and 18 is to 81. Here 2 is to 9 is in its simplest form. We cannot simplify it because both the numbers are not divisible by any common number. Here 18 and 81 both are divisible by 9. 18 and 81 are divisible by 9. Therefore, if we divide both the numbers by 9, 9 2s 18 is to 9 9s 81. 2 is to 9. The first one also 2 is to 9. Therefore, these two ratios are equal. Therefore, we can say that 2 is to 9 and 18 is to 81 are in proportion. Next, 15 is to 45 and 5 is to 25. 15 is to 45. We can simplify it. Dividing by 5 first. Or 45 is divisible by 15. Therefore, we straight away divide both the numbers by 15. 15 ones 15. 15 threes 45. So that ratio is 1 is to. And here 5 is to 25. 5 is to 25. Both are divisible by 5. Therefore 5 ones 5 fives 25. This ratio is 1 is to 3 and this is 1 is to 5. So they are not equal. So these two ratios are not in proportion. These two ratios are not in proportion. If they are in proportion, see 15 3s 45. But 5 3s 15 only. If it is 15, they are in proportion. It is 25. Therefore, they are not in proportion. Next, we will go to fourth problem. 4 is to 12. 4 is to 12. Both are divisible by 4. Therefore, 4 ones, 4 threes. This ratio is 1 is to 3. And 9 is to 27. 9 is to 27. Both are divisible by 9. Therefore, dividing both the numbers by 9, 9 ones, 9 threes. Therefore, both are equal. These two ratios are equal. Therefore, they are said to be in proportion. Next, rupees 10 is to rupees 15. Rupees 10 is to rupees 15 is equal to 10 is to 15. Or dividing by 5, we get 2 is to 5 3 is 15. Ratio of rupees 10 to rupees 15 is equal to 2 is to 3. And 4 to 6, 4 is to 6 is equal to dividing by 2, we get 2 is to 3. Same ratio. The ratio of rupees 10 to rupees 15 is as 4 to 6. Both the ratios are in proportion. They are in equal. Therefore, they are said to be in proportion. So, if two ratios are equal, they are said to be in proportion.